Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Honda Vezel headlights. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape. You'll also need a flat, level surface and a wall about 25 feet away. Proper headlight alignment is crucial for safe driving, ensuring you illuminate the road without blinding oncoming traffic. We'll cover the simple steps to get your beams perfectly aimed, improving your night visibility significantly. Let's get started with the initial setup. Before making any adjustments, park your Honda Vezel on a perfectly level surface, exactly 25 feet from a flat wall. It's important to ensure your tire pressures are correctly set to the manufacturer's specifications for accurate results. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight bulbs and mark this height on the wall with a horizontal line. This line will serve as your reference point for vertical alignment. Now, open your hood and locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. Typically, one screw controls vertical movement, and another handles horizontal. For vertical adjustment, turn the appropriate screw until the top edge of the headlight beam on the wall aligns with the horizontal line you marked earlier. Then, adjust the horizontal screw to center the brightest part of the beam directly in front of each headlight, ensuring a clear, focused pattern. After adjusting both headlights, step back and observe the beam pattern on the wall. Confirm that both beams are level and properly centered. The cutoff line should be distinct, providing good illumination without rising too high. Finally, take your Honda Vezel for a short test drive on a dark road. This allows you to experience the adjusted headlights in real-world conditions, ensuring optimal visibility and safety for you and other drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.